There are lakhs of students enrolled in municipal schools in various states in India. Neither they nor their parents know that more than half these little children are not healthy, because of which they cannot fully absorb what is being taught. Health problems like malnutrition, anemia, stunted growth, poor vision, tooth decay, ear, nose, and throat infections, skin diseases are widespread among the children. This is a very big challenge in the municipal schools. Unhealthy children remain absent more often. They cannot concentrate on the lessons. They are not learning at an optimal level. A large number of these drop out of school and do not finish their education. As these children grow up and enter a working age, this lack of education prevents them from taking up productive jobs. They are unable to contribute to the progress of our state and nation. If these children are well educated, they can play a major role in the progress of the state. These children do not have regular access to doctors or specialists. They don't even know they need a doctor. In addition, there are no proper health records of these children. Lack of records prevents analysis and effective health policy formulation at the state level. Is there a way out? Yes, we can change the situation. Bal Arogya health screening services for state governments. Bal Arogya has 4 basic steps. First, health checkup of the students. Second, identifying the illnesses and solving it by prescribing treatments and providing medicines at the initial level. Third, maintaining systematic records online of all the students. And 4, regular reminders and follow-ups with the students to completely solve their health issues. At the first stage, qualified doctors use the latest equipment to do the preliminary health checkup of the students. All important aspects are checked, such as eyes and vision, nose and sinuses, ears and hearing, dental issues like cavities and gingivitis, blood pressure, blood oxygenation, skin infections, body mass index, height to weight ratio, and a lot more. Medicines for infections, multivitamins, antibiotics, and even spectacles can be provided at the school itself through the government. After the health checkup, many issues are solved at this stage before they reach the district health center. The medical reports are generated and uploaded to online servers on the spot to create digital records for each student. Each student is also given an e-health card. This health card carries a unique identification number which is used to access online the student's digital records. It is extremely useful in case of a medical emergency. Records can be accessed from anywhere, even on smartphones. The records can be accessed by the school, the student, and the district health center. These systematic health records help in follow-ups, analyzing health trends, and in drafting effective health policies. After the health checkup, we continue to support the children on their way to good health. Regular follow-up messages are sent to the parents for any follow-on treatment. Bal Arogya gives the children a healthier life, enabling them to actively participate in school and ultimately live a productive and prosperous life. Schools get better attendance, better results, and become lively community centers.
त्या मुलं सुद्धा त्याच्यामध्ये जागृत झाली आणि तसेच मुलांना ज्या सूचना होत्या किंवा ज्या वर्गामध्ये उपस्थिती होती शाळेची किंवा वर्गाची ती उपस्थिती मुलांची वाढली गेली.
District health centers get access to systematic health records and a reduced workload as many cases are solved at the school level. About the company, we have developed a cloud-based technology platform for total healthcare management. This platform lets you store and track your health records, consult doctors online, and even set appointments. The platform can be accessed from mobile phones and computers from anywhere. We have a vast network of doctors and labs that use high-tech, latest equipment to screen the students and prescribe treatments on the spot.
हमने देखा है कि उनके स्वास्थ्य में काफी फर्क और सुधार नजर आया है हमें। तो बहुत जरूरी है कि ग्रामीण इलाकों में ऐसे प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ केयर के कैंप्स लगे।
The company Wishing Well Global Health Services was founded by Uday Bhaskar, an engineer and an MBA. Uday has 25 years experience in setting up and running profitable business ventures and has held top positions at major corporations. Govind Sandhu is a director with 15 years of experience in the technology industry and has worked at senior levels with large IT firms. He has a degree in economics with an MBA in finance. Our vision is to make a healthier nation. Come, let's together make a healthier India. Jai Hind.